thermodynamics, let's see how to calculate work related to a gaseous system. In work there are different types: gravitational work, mechanical work, electrical work, like that. In this chapter we are going to concentrate on mechanical work, which is related to change in volume against external pressure. Okay, now let's see. Consider a gaseous system enclosed with a piston. This is supposed to be frictionless piston. It contains a gas. Say this is the external force and this is the force applied by the gaseous system on the pressure. Applied by the gaseous system on the piston. Okay. Now work done. See here displacement, say dx bar. Maybe it moves upward, piston may move upwards or downwards, that depends on the relative forces. If this is greater than this, piston moves down. If this is greater than that, piston moves up. Okay. So whatever it may be, that depends on external force. Here displacement is considered against external force. Okay. So work is considered as force into displacement, say dx bar cos 180 degrees here, or this can be written as minus f dx. Just I have substituted this value, f dx. Or see, this can be rearranged as f by a into a dx. No change in the value. Force per unit area is nothing but pressure. Area of cross section, where A is area of cross section of this piston and dx is the displacement of the piston. Now this is volume, area of cross section of piston into say displacement. It's nothing but change in volume, say dV. So this is the work done, mechanical work. Here it is called mechanical work. See, let's see the sign convention. Sign convention according to IUPAC system. According to IUPAC system. See, or for small changes, this is for very small changes. For small changes, work done is equal to minus P delta V, or remember that this is external force, external, therefore this is external, this is external. P external into V2 minus V1. Now see this sign convention of this. If work is done on this system, what happens? Energy of system increases. See, work is done on this system. Energy of system increases. So some energy is added to the system. This is according to IUPAC convention. Okay. Then W is assigned as positive. Here it is gaining energy. If work is done by the system, by the means system is doing something. using its energy, then what happens? There is a loss in its energy. There is a loss in its energy. It is losing some energy. Therefore, W is assigned as negative. Okay, this is the sign convention. Now once again come to this. If work is done on the system, then what happens? See, then what about this piston moves down? This is initial volume. This is final volume. Here also this can be written as P external into V final minus V initial. Now look at this. V initial greater than V, this is V initial, this is V final. V final and V initial, see which is greater? V initial, so negative value. This is negative, and negative into negative we get positive. Therefore W is positive. Now come to this. Here work is done by the system. Say this is V initial, means piston moves up. System is doing some work against the external pressure, so it moves up. This is V final. See, V initial, this is V initial, and this is V final. Now V final is greater than V initial. V final is greater than V initial. Therefore this term is positive. Positive into negative, negative. Therefore W is negative. It's very clear from this. Okay. In this way we can calculate mechanical work of a gaseous system. And one more word, work is a path function. It's not a state function. Of course, that is conditional, just we have seen. At constant volume, okay, that is related to heat energy. Both the heat, let's see one word, both the heat transfer and work transfer, see they are boundary phenomena. There takes place heat transfer or work transfer between system and surroundings. That takes place at the boundary. That's why they are said to be boundary phenomena. Okay. Okay, one second. Now let's see. It is work is a path function. It depends on the path in which it is carried out, so not the state function. For example, see pressure, volume. Just we have seen pressure into volume, that gives work done. Say initially system is at the point A and finally system is at the state B. Say from A to B, that can be done in different ways. See, maybe like this, or see this, from A to B. A to B can be reached in this way, or see from A to B can be like this. See, area under curve gives work done, because area of under curve is nothing but pressure into volume. Pressure into volume is nothing but work done. So here area is under the curve is this one. Here see this area under this curve, or if you look at this, area under the curve is different. Here area under the curve is different. See, initial and final positions are same, but paths are different. Therefore work done is different. That's why work is a path function. Even in cyclic process, in previous cases also we have seen, even in cyclic process, say A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A. Here delta U may be 0, delta U 0, delta T 0, delta H 0, like that. Because it is coming back to the initial state, your delta G 0, delta S 0, but work is not equal to 0, Q is not equal to 0, because it is path function not related to initial and final states. If it depends on initial and final states, initial state is this one, final state is also this one, it should be 0. But what I told you, it is a path function related to path. When it comes back to this in this way, or see, this is point A, again it comes back to this position, say whether in this way, A to B and B to A. See, in both cases, area covered under the curve is different. Therefore, work done is different. Both are not same. Okay. So, work is a path function. That is the point to remember. Means work depends on the conditions of process done. It may be under isothermal or adiabatic, reversible or irreversible, isobaric, isochoric, like that. Different conditions, path in which it is done. Okay. So about calculation of work under different conditions, let's see in the next video.